What's up, everybody? Please make sure you watch this whole video. So Dum Dum wants to talk about how I'm not on Google, how he's been on there, this, that, and another, all of the BS. Said it before, I don't need Google. Anyway, I got a couple screenshots right here just for y'all to see his Better Business Bureau rating and him bragging about being on there for 4 years. But after this little video, I am going to show you from the Better Business Bureau website direct the complaints against his F-rated company. For the trillionth time, he is nothing more than a fraud, a scam artist, and that's all I'm going to say. Y'all watch this video. All right, y'all. So this video may be a little blurry. I didn't even want to do it, but let's do it anyway. Since I'm not on Google means I'm not credible. For the trillionth time, I don't need Google to get business. I get business from word of mouth and YouTube. Yes, those are the two main sources where I get my clients. Anyway, we are on the Better Business Bureau website, and I will show you that in just a second, but here is a complaint. Gives you the date, $1,500 rapid credit repair, 60-day guarantee or money back after being told it would be no trouble raising my credit score enough to purchase a home within 60 days. That did not happen. I tried to stay in constant communication. On April 17th, I expressed concern of my credit score actually decreasing. I understood there was no guarantee about bringing my score up 90 plus points, but was confident that I would get refunded should it not work. I have not had any communication since April 17th. I have been asking for a refund and I am not getting a response. Now let's read the next one. On July 23rd, I paid $500 for a credit repair service. I was told that there were no other fees involved. They took my money immediately, imagine that, and then I found out that there would be monthly fees involved. I specifically asked this in the beginning and was told no. On July 24th, I told them to cancel and refund my money. They said they would mail me a check for the $500 I paid and cancel my service. I repeatedly tried to contact them, but they blocked me on Messenger, which was how we communicated, and ignored my texts and emails. When I finally accused them of fraud and threatened to contact the BBB, they responded in email saying they put my check in the mail a few days ago, and that was on August 6th. I have not received anything, and they do not respond to my emails. I have tried to be patient, but I have not received my $500 refund. There were no services rendered at all. I was told by them that I could get my money back, but they have not delivered. I want my money from them. Well, sir, I will tell you good luck. I don't think a scammer has ever refunded anybody their money. But wait, there's more. Their website says free consultation for credit repair. They have 2 pricing programs. As soon as they found out I couldn't afford the higher one, refused me a free consultation like they advertise. Also sent me the most rude, disgusting, unprofessional email from any business. They are liars and scammers. Please tell us something we didn't already know. All right, let's read this last one. This company is a complete scam. Charged me $1,200 in December 2021 and did not deliver any credit repair results in 10 months. I had to do the repair on my own by disputing through Credit Karma, etc., and then insulted me when I went to him about canceling my account. He is a complete fraud. I wish I would have read the reviews on him before signing up. I want my money back from this company. I wish I would have read the reviews. So Andre's always talking about do your research. Well, here's your research, people. So let me see if I can move my camera so y'all can see. Hold on one second, y'all. Let's see. So as you can see, I haven't changed nothing. Pinnacle Credit Repair. Sorry, I'm trying to slide my little phone holding thing up. and then there is the URL. You guys, this guy is a fraud. He is a scammer. I don't just get on here and say this stuff to pick on this kid. I'm not trying to bully this kid. I'm trying to save you guys from wasting your hard-earned money on somebody that's literally going to put your money in their pocket and do absolutely nothing. I don't want that to happen to you guys. This is not me trying to convince you to sign up with me. There you can see the F rating as well. Again, this is not me trying to convince you to sign up with me. You sign up with who you want to. I always tell people, you do what's right for you and your family. You go with the company that you feel is going to do the best job for you. So if y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great night.